Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, what's up? My name is Jossie Annie. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe right down below. I'll be more than happy to have you a part of the family. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Alamar Cosmetics line by Gaby Trujillo. She is Gabyteemua on Instagram. I'll go ahead and link all her information right down below. She works with BoxyCharm. And let me tell you, this eyeshadow palette is gonna blow your mind. It is beyond pigmented, beyond creamy, and just everything you want in an eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette actually launched today. It's $29 for 8 shades, and for me that is like really cheap, and it's a steal because these eyeshadows are so high quality. You guys just have to try it to see what I'm talking about. Like, you will see throughout the video how mind blown I was, because it was actually my first impression. I've had this eyeshadow palette for a couple days now since she gave it to me, and I just haven't had the chance to actually try it. So I finally sat down and tried it, and man, this eyeshadow palette, it is mwah, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Congratulations, Gaby, you did an amazing job. I really hope that everyone tries this eyeshadow palette because it is a must, and the colors just work so amazingly together. She did a really great job. Honestly, I'm so proud of her. Like, girl, for your first product, ooh honey, you killed it. So the eyeshadow palette looks like this. It's like a mustard yellow. It says Alamar Cosmetics in the front, and in the back it says Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. It tells you in the back that it's inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar. Ooh, so it was made in Cuba, which is really cool. Featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades, ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and velvety mattes. And it also shows that it's cruelty free, which is a plus, girl, because I have dogs and I love my animals, so any cosmetic line that tests on animals is a no-go for me. Go ahead and show you guys these swatches on my wrist. We have La Costa, El Malecón, Varadero, Celia, Coco Taxi, Tropico, Guantanamera, and Cafecito, and all the names are so cute. They're so Cuban. So me as a Cuban myself, this palette is so cute, and it's greatly appreciated to see our culture in a palette. So I'm gonna stop talking. If you guys are interested in finding out how these eyeshadows perform, then just keep on watching. Okay, please don't judge me. I know I look like a ghost. I know I look really crazy, but I make sure to do all my face makeup and my eyebrows off camera so that the main focus could be on this beautiful palette right here. I'm so excited to show you guys how it works on the eyes because my gosh, as you guys saw from the very beginning, the swatches are beautiful, the concept is beautiful, and the colors, bello. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wing it. I have no idea what I'm doing. I made sure that I put translucent powder underneath my eyes, so just in case there's any fallout, we don't mess up, you know, the cake on the face. And I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in so you guys can get a closer look on what I do with the eyes. Okay, so now that we're up close and personal, the first shade I'm gonna go into is La Costa. It's like a champagne pink, and I'm gonna go ahead and just outline my brow bone with it just to give it a little pop, and so we can define the brow. Oh my gosh, just look at that. That is so beautiful. My heart. This would be such a beautiful shade to also use as a highlight, and I think I'm gonna do that. Wow, these shades are so buttery and so pigmented. Like, I cannot even describe how amazing they are. Now I'm going to go into the orange shade Coco Taxi with the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to apply this all into my crease and on my outer corner. Now with the same exact brush, I'm going to go into the shade Tropico, and I'm going to apply this to the outer corner. Oh my gosh, like pigment come through. Wow. Wow, 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 this is so beautiful. Holy crap, it's so pigmented and it blends like butter. Okay, still with the same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Guantanamera, and I'm going to apply this again to the outer corner, but just making sure that it's owning right here in the outer corner. I want to make sure that we still see that orange peeking through at the very end. Again, this shade is beautiful and it blends like butter as well. super pigmented. Like, you guys can tell on the camera, these eyeshadows do not play. So beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a half cut crease with the Makeup Forever Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 5. And now with my middle finger, I'm just gonna blend out the edge of the concealer. Again, with my ring finger, I'm gonna apply the shade El Malecón. And it's like a very coppery green shimmer shade. And it's very metallic, and oh my gosh. Yes, this is so... Okay, this eyeshadow palette is blowing me away every single time I use a color. Like, honestly, you need this. You really need this, and I'm not even playing. This color is so unique. I don't think I've ever seen this color before as an eyeshadow. Wow, so pretty. And now going back into the blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend these two shades together. Okay, as you can tell, the eyeshadow looks so pretty and blended. This took me so fast to do. I usually take like an hour just on my eye makeup, and I'm not even kidding, this has taken me like 10 minutes to do. Because the formula of these eyeshadows are so amazing. It blends like butter, it's super pigmented, the colors just work together, and honestly, I'm blown away. I'm just gonna go ahead and dust off all this baking powder off my face so that we can finish the lower lash line. And I'm so excited to use this blue. I don't know if it'll look crazy. We'll see. I want to incorporate the blue. I want to incorporate Celia because it is calling my name. It is so pretty, and oh my gosh, I don't know. I have to use it. I don't know where I'm going to use it, but I'm going to figure it out. Okay, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and pop on Celia on my lid right here in the middle, just so I can have a little bit of this shade because it's so pretty. And I'm just going to apply it right here. Oh my gosh, how pretty! Wow, this is so pretty. Honestly, all these shades work so perfectly together. I'm literally in awe. Like, Gabby, you did such a good job. I'm so proud of you, and I really hope that this goes viral. I hope that this eyeshadow palette is everywhere because everybody needs it. Like, it is literally that good. After the lower lash line, I'm gonna go into the shade Cocoa Taxi. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Tropico and apply this mainly towards the outer corner. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to go back into the shade La Costa. Okay, so the eyes are done. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop on some eyelashes, mascara, lipstick, highlights, and I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like this little flower to add a little Cubana style in this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Besitos, bye!